Welcome to our video, 5 Weather Anomalies that have shaped history, where we explore the profound impact that extraordinary weather events have had on society and the world at large. From the chilling effects of the year without a summer in 1816 to the devastating Dust Bowl of the 1930s, we'll delve into how these climatic shifts influenced economies, cultures, and even global politics. We'll also examine crucial events like Hurricane Katrina and the Indian monsoon failure, highlighting how nature's forces have altered the course of history. Join us as we uncover the stories behind these remarkable weather phenomena and their lasting effects. 1. The Year Without a Summer, 1816. In 1816, the world experienced what is famously known as the Year Without a Summer. This unusual climatic episode was triggered by the catastrophic eruption of Mount Tambora in 1815. The volcanic explosion was so massive that it sent a colossal amount of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, effectively blocking sunlight and causing global temperatures to plummet. This sudden drop in temperature led to widespread crop failures around the world. Farmers in Europe and North America faced devastating food shortages, which spiraled into severe famine. The grim conditions forced many to migrate in search of better living conditions. Interestingly, the gloomy atmosphere inspired literary works like Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, which was penned during this period of darkness and despair. 2. The Dust Bowl, 1930s. The Dust Bowl of the 1930s was another significant weather anomaly that left a lasting mark on history. It was mainly caused by severe droughts combined with poor agricultural practices across the Great Plains of the United States. As crops failed, the land became barren and susceptible to massive dust storms that swept across the region. These storms were so intense that they destroyed homes and livelihoods, forcing thousands of families to abandon their homes. Many took to the road, heading to California in search of work, a journey that was poignantly depicted in John Steinbeck's The Grapes of Wrath. The disaster also led to the development of new soil conservation policies, aiming to prevent such a catastrophe from happening again. 3. The Little Ice Age, 1300–1850. The Little Ice Age, spanning from 1300 to 1850, was a period of cooler temperatures that affected Europe and North America. This climatic shift resulted from a combination of reduced solar activity, volcanic eruptions, and changes in ocean circulation. The colder winters and shorter growing seasons had profound effects on agriculture, leading to events like the Great Famine of 1315–1317. The harsh climate also influenced significant historical events, such as Napoleon's disastrous retreat from Russia in 1812. Economies that relied heavily on agriculture and trade suffered greatly during this time, as they struggled to adapt to the cooler conditions. 4. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. Hurricane Katrina, a powerful Category 5 Atlantic hurricane, struck the southeastern United States in 2005, leaving a trail of devastation in its wake. Fueled by the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, Katrina hit New Orleans, Louisiana, with merciless force. The city experienced catastrophic flooding, primarily due to levee breaches that failed to hold back the storm surge. The disaster resulted in over 1,800 deaths and caused damages estimated at $125 billion. Katrina exposed significant weaknesses in the existing disaster response systems, leading to widespread criticism and subsequent reforms aimed at improving preparedness and response capabilities. 5. The Indian monsoon failure, 1876–1878. Between 1876 and 1878, India faced an extraordinary weather anomaly when the monsoon rains failed. This failure was caused by a combination of El Niño and unusual atmospheric conditions. The resulting severe drought affected not just India, but also parts of China and Brazil. The lack of rain led to widespread famine, claiming millions of lives and highlighting the vulnerabilities of the colonial-era agricultural systems. This tragic event underscored the need for better meteorological studies and famine relief policies, paving the way for future improvements in these areas. The lessons learned from this period have since informed strategies to mitigate the impacts of similar weather-related crises.